Hi there, welcome to the Ecofina Financial Channel. My name is Philip, and as usual, I'll take you through one important event in the global economy. Remember, click the subscribe button and also set up the notification so that you can receive regular updates from this channel. What we do is that we share insights on the economy, provide our analysis just to help your investments and business decisions. Today, we'll be looking at MTN Nigeria's financials, which was recently released. Um, and it shows that MTN Nigeria posted a record 1.7 trillion naira in revenue for 2021. That's stunning. That's stellar. I don't even know what other words to use for it. But MTN is showing themselves not to they are not even slowing down in any way. They are a colossus in the telecommunications industry. Because if you convert that to dollars, that's about $4.1 billion in revenue for just 2021. If we try to break that down, we'll see that the profit after tax actually increased by about 45.58% to 298.7 billion naira, equivalent of $718 million. And of course, it is driven majorly by voice and data. If you look at the revenue for voice, it's even almost as high as a trillion. It specifically is about 971.4 billion naira. If you look at other segments too, you see the growing influence of other segments. Data revenue increased by 55.3% to 516.1 billion naira, while the digital segment also increased by 61.2% to 18.04 billion naira. Then the fintech segment also rose by um, 57.3% to 70.55 billion. Now, these financials clearly shows the strength of the company, and not only because they operate in the essential services sector, but also showing that have growing revenues from multiple sources, which is very, very, very impressive. The fact that they also declare dividends regularly is also good news because they declared the final dividend of 8 naira 57 kobo. That adds to the interim dividend they declared in July 2021 for 4 naira 55 kobo. Now, it means that those who are interested in investing in MTN can get value both in terms of dividends and also in terms of capital appreciation. Of course, the MTN Nigeria share price has increased significantly since they launched into the capital market some 2 years plus, 2 years plus. And, of course, the company's CEO also says they contribute a lot, even to the revenue of government, because they paid as much as 669.2 billion naira in direct and indirect taxes in 2021. So when you look at the outlook, so what's the outlook for the future? This is what MTN says. MTN says that there's enhanced guidance for service revenue growth of at least 20% over the medium term. 20% over the medium term. And it's not difficult to see why. I think they are even being modest in that estimation. Because you recall that recently MTN acquired the 5G license just in conjunction with another company who is not even a major player yet in the telecommunications industry. We are just two who acquired that. And then very recently, the Central Bank of Nigeria has also given them a payment service bank license, which means that they can grow their fintech business to a very high level. Now, when you look at these things and you look at the way MTN has been managed, you see that they have a very good potential for the future. And I know some of you, some of those who have invested who participated in the initial public offering, IPO, must be wondering what is happening. Are they not going to release this thing? I don't know why the allotment is delayed, but maybe very soon you can expect the allotment to happen. But one thing you can be sure of is that you've probably made the right decision because the revenues MTN is posting, what the future looks like, is looking really, really great. And you can expect that when the allotment is done, you can also get your share of this company. So it's our thoughts, really, our thoughts on whether MTN is a good buy. We've done some videos in the past where we shared our thoughts on what we think about the MTN stock, and you might want to check that out. But things are really looking good for this company. So, for those who participated in the IPO of 575 million shares, just hold on. Hopefully soon, the allocation will be done. And for others, you can still see how you can participate in the secondary market by mopping up some of the shares. And that's it from us today. We do hope you subscribe to the channel and also recommend us to many others so that they can share from the insights we share. And we'll be back with you next time.